Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add and customize buttons onto our Wix Harmony site. Let's get started. To add a button, go to the Add button on the top left. Click on All and look for Button. To see more button designs, click on See All right over here. And from here, select a button you'd like to use. And if you've found something that you want to use, just click on it in order to add it to your page. Then position it properly. To customize its design, go to the action bar above and click on the All Design Options button. On this small window, make sure that on the drop down here, button is selected. We want to work on our button first. And from here, you can customize your buttons, fill colors, borders, corners, shadow, spacing, and layout. So feel free to customize it however you want to. And once you're done working on your button, you can then switch to text and then start customizing your text over here. Once you're done designing, you can close this window. And now to properly link your button so that your site visitors will be taken to the right place, click on Link on the action bar above. Click on Choose a Link. And on this small window, choose what you want to embed onto your button. So you can choose to embed a page, a section, a web address, a document, and so much more like email, phone number, pop up, top or bottom of page, WhatsApp, and address. So feel free to select whatever type of link you want to embed onto your button. And once you select, make sure that you input the information asked within here so that you'd successfully take your visitors to wherever you want to take them once they click on your button. So in my case, I'm going to use the page type of link. So we are going to select which page we should lead them to once they click on this button. So just say, for example, they'll see the category page and the all products section. So once we are done, go ahead and click on done. And if you'd like to see if it worked, click on preview here. Then click on your button to see if it takes you to the place you've just set earlier. And I think it did. So I think it worked just perfectly fine. So basically, that's all. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.